Hi people, this video will be to show you guys some quick simple styles that you can do with an old wash and go. In the first style that I'll be doing, I'm basically just taking a portion of my hair at the front of my head and tying it into a high ponytail. Then I'm just going to fluff my hair to however I like it. In the next style, I'll be using the ends of the ponytail to wrap around my hair to make a bow. Then I'll be using an elastic band to secure my hair in place. In this third style, I'm spraying my hair with water again to add moisture. Then I'm brushing it upwards all the way around to get rid of some of the lumps in my hair. Then I'll be using this hair tie to tie my hair up into a pineapple. Then I'm just tightening it and pulling it, adjusting it to where I want it to be. Next, I'm using the ends of my hair in this pineapple hairstyle and just tucking it to the back to create a high, messy bun, and I'll be using a hairpin to secure it in the back. In the fifth step, I'll be taking sections of my hair right above my ears on both sides and braiding them down halfway, then pinning them to the back of my hair using a hairpin to create this look. For this next style, I'll be using the same two braids and braiding them out more towards the end, and then I'll be taking each braid and pinning it to the opposite side and pinning it right above my ear to create a braided hairband look. Finally, I'll be sectioning my hair into two parts to make two buns. While I'm tying my hair up on the final tie, I'm just pulling my halfway through, and then the ends I'm using it to wrap around the base, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and feel free to comment which hairstyle was your favorites.